Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Mabandla wedding and I'm planning to share with you guys each and every clip that I've managed to take on this video. But before going to the video, I want to first request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. You know, guys, I think we need to give it to whoever directed the photograph for this whole thing. They did a great job. You know, this wedding feels like a real wedding. I can't remember the last time I watched such great acting on TV. So let's start with the wedding. Oh, I want to state this first. You know, my highlight of this whole wedding was Tande. She was so happy at the wedding. You'd swear that she was the one who was getting married. Throughout the episode, her happiness and smile was so consistent. So the wedding starts with our Makoti preparing her makeup. Oh no, before that, she was busy making sure that everything was properly planned, the venue, the decor and everything. Thereafter, we were given this scene, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, this was nice. I will never stop praising whoever directed this. Look at this visual, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Damn, these people are so good. So, Hlati met with Lukhanyo before the wedding, and of course, Lukhanyo was warning Hlati and trying to make peace with him. As you can see, they have made peace, shaking hands and taking pictures. Likamva as well. I thought I was going to mess up this whole wedding, but Hlati went to him, they spoke, and by the look of things, they are cool now and happy. Also, as you can see, everyone is happy, singing, dancing, you know, everything that you can expect from a beautiful wedding. Now, guys, I don't like making long videos, so I'm ending this video here. I'll create part 2. Just tune in on this channel if you are interested. For now, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this wedding, and if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you know no TikTok. And thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again in part 2.